recording? Okay. So this is a wonderful creation of the Japanese world. They're called onigiri. And traditionally it's just seaweed wrapped around rice and sometimes stuff in the middle. But if you leave the seaweed around the rice too long, it gets really soggy and nasty. So they came with this wonderful marble right here. So they pull around the top, goes around to the back side, and then you pull off the two sides. And now you've got fresh wrapped seaweed around your onigiri. And it tastes pretty damn good too.
Alright, so we're in Nijo Castle right now, and I thought I'd show something I found a little interesting. He's humping the side of the castle there.
Maybe he's doing a dance.
To seduce the side of the castle?
I don't know.
Okie dokie.
It's very hot.
It is. Say hi, Erica.
Hi. That's sweet, isn't it?
Yeah. You are hot. Alright.